Here I am. Horst, your chef. Transforming into a food artist with a passion for combining culinary skills and artistic creativity. My unique approach to art involves using herbs, spices, and wine reductions to create distinctive and vibrant pieces. With a background as a food stylist and decades of experience as a chef and culinary teacher, I bring a refined sense of presentation and color composition to my work, under the motto, Pictures with Taste. Join me on a flavorful adventure as I craft inspiring food and wine art. Aromatics and wine are delicately brushed onto the canvas, creating a feast for the eyes, arranged in artistic, harmonious, and sometimes wild creations. I transform my ordinary spice rack into a vibrant paint palette, painting with colorful ingredients such as turmeric, paprika, chili, and saffron. The canvas is prepared with a rich red wine reduction, and some pieces are elegantly framed with timber from old French oak barrels. And the sawdust is used as a medium, adding to the uniqueness of my creations. The metaphor of a sharp picture gains new meaning when painted with black pepper or chili. You are warmly invited to experience these pictures with taste and store them in the gallery of your happy memories. Horst, your chief cook, bottle washer, and wine food artist.